Hi, welcome to my shop. Come on in, let's see what's going on. We're going to work on a curly maple chopping block today. We'll take a look at some of the inventory that I use to make these products. Here is some of the curly maple, curly hard maple, curly cherry, quarter sawn cherry, quarter sawn white oak that I use. And here is some of the crotch walnut and the extra wide walnut. I use flame birch, quarter sawn red oak, and white oak. We're going to be sizing up some curly maple to make a chopping block today on the table saw. And then we bring it to the clamps and clamp it up with a waterproof glue and let it sit for about 8 hours or so. We run it through our wide belt sanding operation to the thickness that I want. Then I finish sand with an oscillating sander to a 320 grit sanding pattern. I check my measurements for width and length. I make a visual inspection to make sure my sanding pattern is where I want it to be. And here is the finished product when I'm done.